Okay, a very good morning to our lecturer, Dr. Noor Filza Idris. So we are from Group 3. We're going to present our final product of the presentation. So the title is Car Booth Organizer. So before I next to and continue the other slide, so I like to introduce myself first, as I am Darshanan and my group members are Ifzan, Eric Tong and Farizul. Okay, as you can see, this is the organization of chat. So we have 4 positions. The top one is project manager, is Ifzan Idam Benijam. The second one is below that product manager, Eric Tong, and below that have one finance manager and one legal manager. Finance manager is me, Darshanan. Legal manager is Farizul. So I'm going to talk a little about project. What's the function of project manager? So project manager. So normally project manager does planning, any development process for business projects. So this professional initiate for the design, monitor, control and finalize projects lah. Okay, second, what's the product manager role? So product manager may focus the efforts on researching customers markets, evaluating the demand for products and so on. Okay, third, the finance manager normally check out audit the financial aspect of business operation, such as calculating project incoming revenue and company expenses. So the legal manager normally propose course of action will run a fall or of the loss of the related to economic competitiveness and monopolies. Alright, next we move on to the objective. So the first objective is to determine the performances of car booth organizer. So the performances such as convenient or size, depends on convenient size. The support, the weight of the stay hold organizer, the lightweight, the easy grips when you keep in the trunk, or for the size, portable, compact and size. For the second one is to produce the better efficiency of our product. So efficiency is based on we see in the long lasting, on easy to use, low damage lah. So the third one is to interpret the cost of our product. So example like low maintenance, so it get affordable to produce, so that we can supply or affordable to the consumer. This product also inexpensive material and so on.
Welcome and good evening. My name is Ifzan Daminishab and I want to continue what my friend just said. So first is problem solving. Not arrange stuff or luggage in car trunk will make the stuff easily to slipping and sliding in car trunk. That will make the stuff and luggage will broke and the car trunk will have bad condition. Car booth organizer that can help the people to solve their problem that having in car trunk. Car booth organizer work as holder to hold the stuff and luggage in car trunk to make sure the stuff in place and position while the car is moved. Next, project advantage and disadvantage. First is the advantage. They develop idea to produce a new product. Second,
a very good day. My name is Eric. Now I'm going to briefly talk about the overall project and the duration. So first is the consideration for the concept prototype. The major consider is the tolerance, features, definition, and materials property. These are the most major consideration when producing a prototype. And we also need to increase the functionality of a prototype. If the prototype was unable to function, it's totally useless. So in order to create a function prototype, we need a clear objective in order to achieve. And then lastly, we need to test on the prototype. This is an important factor because when testing on the prototype, we will know what are happening on the prototype that actually apply on the actual product, so we may seek the problem and issue faster and precise. And the next is insight gain. So teamwork was very important when carrying out a project. And in this project, recycle box and ice cream sticks are chosen to use as prototype material due to their properties. So when a group of people work together rather than one person working alone, they produce more efficient work and were able to accomplish jobs faster since several brands were focused on the same corporate goals. So for embodiment design, first of all, we will do a scale drawing to dimension and measure out all the parts length. And next, we will do the material selection. We will choose which material suitable for this prototype manufacture. And in the fabrication process, we will write out the procedure of the fabrication process in detail. And lastly, the concept testing. So we will do wet test, water test, and drop test to test on our 4 different concept prototypes. So these are the 4 prototypes: concept 10, 11, 14, and 15. As you can see, 14, the divider is same. The divider will have the same shape with concept 11, and concept 15 will have a different divider. So after all the tests, we decided to choose concept test as our final product design. So as you can see, concept 10 can withstand up until 5 kg and is sturdy in drop test but is not waterproof. So in order to optimize this concept to a better performance, we suggest to change the materials to PVC or wood, because PVC or wood, it can withstand more weight, maybe up to 10 kg, 50 kg. And we also suggest that to apply waterproof painting on the prototype to prevent the prototype for further damage. And hence, this is our overall cost analysis. As you can see, for concept 10, the cost is 9 ringgit. Also, concept 11 is also 9 ringgit. And for both concept 14 and 15, the total cost is 5 ringgit. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farid Zul Arif bin Masran. So, for the conclusion for this project, as the conclusion, we are sure to decide that the best cardboard organizer for our group project is the design concept 10. This is due to it can accommodate the highest weight, which is up to 5 kilo compared to the others concept. So this concept can accommodate the highest weight. Okay, next for the second test, which is drop test, this concept remains the shape after drop test. Means after this prototype falls from the certain highest, it still remains its shape without any damage. But for the conclusion, the material still not the best for this product, because it is not enough durable for various condition, especially in wet condition. So that's all from our group. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Hibzan Hisham, and today I want to do the demonstration and testing to one of our concept, which is this. This is car boot organizer concept 15. Okay, so for the testing one, I'm using the mineral water to test for testing, and the weight of 2 mineral water is 3 kilogram. Okay, so for the second test, I'm using the handlebar, 2 handlebar. Each the weight of each bar is 1 kilogram. Okay, so for the second test, we test the material and test the box if the box can resist the water or not. Okay, so I will drop the water to the box, so we test if the box is can resist or not. Okay, so you can see when we drop the water to the cardboard will wet, and that show the cardboard is not waterproof. Okay, so lastly, we going to do the drop test. So the first height I will drop is from 120 centimeters.
开始啊，开始啊。Ouais. Ouais. 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 C'est ça.